this fire.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, another warrior approaches the stand, right?
What?
What? Huh? My brother in Christ, you got shooting to do. Show these motherfuckers what's popping, alright? What's happening?
Huh?
What's happening? Show them what's good.
Shoot the fucking P90.
Yeah, that's a P90. Yeah, they know that. Show you that fucking talent, G. Hit him up. Hit him up. Yeah, you fuck him up, Terry.
Put the cylinder the right way.
That's valid.
Ignore that one. Ready for this shit, Sid?
Yeah, we're ready now. Oh my god.
That's fun though.
Alright, give it a go, Chief. I know!
That's so funny.
That thing is sick! Bushmaster.
Or not.
Bushmaster.
You weren't kidding.
Yeah, you're gonna smell. Lovely spring day.
Shoot it for too long. Fucking gunpowder in my face.
So I got the stronger nose is what.
Clearly. I'm sorry.
What's up?
I had to put that down for a little bit. Holy shit.
I'm gonna cut it off there, Chief.
No, I got 3 more. I'm gonna shoot them.
You want me to have it on still? I'll leave it. This is pretty good.
Holy fuck.
I started to smell it a little way.
Dud, okay. That's good. First one.
Holy.
Yeah.
That's not bad. That's actually really smooth.
It's a
Wow.
Look at that. It's such a heavy rifle.
I can feel the heat.
Yeah, it's got something. Yeah.
I hope you guys are ready for the fucking ping.
Idea to put that there, whatever. The Legend Part 2.
Those shells are flying way over here somewhere.
Gnarly.
She really kicks them out.
Honey badger.
We'll get you a landscape even. How about that?
I don't want to.
Anything? All right, Hitman.
That's really cool.
show up? Good.